how to enable or disable Wi-Fi private address on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to the clock face by pressing on the crown button on the side. From the clock face, press on the crown button to go into the home screen. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Wi-Fi. In here, tap on the Wi-Fi that you are connecting to. Then scroll down and tap on private address. Tap on the toggle button to switch off private address. Then we go down and tap on disconnect. So it said here, turn off private Wi-Fi address will temporarily disconnect your watch from your Wi-Fi network. So tap on disconnect. And that's it. And if you want to turn it on, just tap on the toggle button to switch it back on. And then scroll down and then tap on disconnect. And that will allow your watch to reconnect as a private Wi-Fi address. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.